Okay, so now we have got a very good understanding of what is machine learning. We saw some examples of machine learning. Then we also discussed the workflow of machine learning. Now it's important to understand what are the various types of machine learning algorithms. And guys, we'll do a deep dive into each of these, right? So we will learn about supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is where the model training is done based on the labeled data. Don't worry, we'll do a deep dive. We'll try and understand what is classification, what is regression, right? Then we will talk about unsupervised learning. And we will also understand why is a supervised learning called supervised. Why unsupervised is called unsupervised. Because it is using unlabeled data, but I'll give you more details when we come to that video. With unsupervised learning, we have a concept of clustering, right? And each of these models or each of these algorithms have their different use case that they address, and we'll discuss about those use cases as well. Then comes reinforcement learning. As I told you previously, reinforcement learning always works on the reward and punishment method, right? As we said, like a baby learns, you give a baby some reward, or your student some reward, or you give some punishment, right? So it works like that. That's why it's called a reinforcement learning, which so the model takes actions in the environment, then received state updates and feedback. So it is always based on the feedback loop, right? So with this quick video, I just wanted to showcase that there are mainly three types of machine learning algorithms we'll be learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. With supervised, we have classification, regression; unsupervised, mainly clustering; and then we have reinforcement learning. So in the next video, we'll talk about supervised learning. See you in the video. Thanks for watching.